Hey guys, hey ladies. So I'm going to just show you a little bit of how I prep for myself. I'm in a recomp season, so by spring I'm hoping to recomp my body. I'm going to, I took my progress pics this morning and I will share at the end of my challenge. I will be going beyond 21 days because what I kind of want to do is going to take a little bit longer. I'm not in the rush of it. There is no quick fix. So I'm just going to be slow and steady. And so I'm going to prep some food the way I like to prep. This is how I prep. I like simple foods, but I keep it very, very easy. I can eat the same thing every day. So this in no way is what you should be doing. Follow the plan. If you're on the 21-day plan, follow that plan to a T. I've been doing this a long time. I know what my body can handle. I know what my body likes, and I know how much of each carb, protein, and fat that I should be having. So enjoy this quick little video of some of the things I do for myself. It took me about maybe an hour, I think, 45 minutes to an hour to complete the whole thing because I'm fast. Like I just got to it and did multiple things at one time. And it's the first time I've actually prepped in my gym kitchen. So I'm happy I finally utilized it and I hope you enjoy it. All right, see ya. Okay, so what I'm talking about, super simple, so meal prepping. So I just took, what I like to use is Jenny-O's 99 fat-free turkey. And I just literally, you guys, make 4 patties. So I know that they're each about 4 ounces of turkey each. So I'm just going to cook those up. And I don't put a lot of seasoning in them. I just like things plain. And a lot of times I will just eat it with mustard, or I put it in Ezekiel bread. I will toast 1 slice of Ezekiel bread and then cut that in half and use 1 piece and then the rest for later. And that's just how I like it. And then I'll pair that with some veggies and have some veggies with that, or some yogurt or something. But those are cooking right now. What I do here, rotisserie chicken. Keep it super simple, ladies. I just take rotisserie chicken and I am going to chop it up, and then my dogs get whatever I don't have. So I'm going to be doing that. And I just take some green beans and I'm going to go ahead and split those up. And this is what I like to do, is I like to use just little containers like this and put like my protein in here and then my 2 sides, or my 1 side, either veggie or sweet potatoes. I'm also going to be taking, I'll show you what it says, some flank steak or round steak, and I'm going to chop it up and I'm going to do that for a stir fry with just my broccoli stir fry, like a beef and broccoli type of stir fry. So I'll cook this up and then I'll get the steak in there as well, and I'll cover it with some rice. I'll put it on cauliflower rice, or I will just go ahead and use a little bit of brown basmati, or even a little bit of jasmine rice, but cauliflower rice is good. But if this is my lunch, or if I've worked out that day, I'm good to go and it's okay to have this. I'm going to flip my burgers over, which I'm so simple sometimes. This is just how I do it. Squish them down, and I know they're a good 4 ounces in the patties. And I'm good with that. But again, I just like to use rice. You can cook big rice piles if you want. And also for veggies too, I'm gonna just microwavable. I have a microwave here. Microwave it, and then I will balance it out. And then I have some sweet potatoes. I'm gonna pick up some sweet potatoes. I'm just gonna throw them in the microwave, and then I have some asparagus as well. So I'll cook that up on the stove top, and then I'm going to put that into all my different little meals. And what I have for the chicken is I have the bags of salad. So I'm going to make chicken and just put it in a bowl so that I can throw it onto salads, and I can throw it to that. I'm also going to leave bigger chicken breasts if I just want a chicken breast, some sweet potatoes, and some veggies as well. So I will portion it out to 4 or 5 or maybe even 6 ounces of chicken or protein, depending on how much I need for that day or for that meal, and how many meals I'm going to get in the day. But that's how kind of I like to do it. And then I literally, like I said, you guys have done it too, is I just put it in containers, put it in my fridge, and I don't have to think about it. I'm good with breakfast. So breakfast, I know that I'm either gonna have after I work out my multo meal, because that's just what I like. I have my protein coffee with that meal, but I also have protein immediately after I work out here at the studio. So I will have that immediately, and then when I get home, I have protein in my coffee and then the multo meal, which it's carbs, but it's okay because I worked out, and I don't know, that's my kick lately is the multo meal. I seem to like the multo meal today. And then dinners are pretty much, I'll probably be eating this, or I will make something for Mike separately, or he can eat what I'm eating, depending if I make a chicken casserole or whatever I decide to make for the day. But I'm going to finish getting started doing all this stuff, and then I'll post some of the things that I have packaged when I'm all done. All right, so like I said, what I'm doing with the round steak, I cut it up into slices right here, as you can see. And I did leave like a couple bigger pieces in case I just want to have the flank steak separately with sweet potatoes or something. So I'm gonna get all that done. My burgers are done, and I'm working on this. And my sweet potatoes are in the microwave. All right, my sweet potatoes, I have 2 sweet potatoes done. And all I'm gonna do, you guys, is just cut them in half. I know about probably 3 to 4 ounces. This one's a little bit bigger, so I'm gonna cut it into three squares and put it into, here are my turkey burgers are all done. You can see I'm chopping my chicken up and putting it in there. Grab 2 more containers here to put my other little bit of sweet potatoes in there. So that is like 5 meals, and I have 2 more sweet potatoes. I'll probably add a little bit more to this one, maybe that one, to give myself maybe about 4 ounces of sweet potato. And then I'm gonna add some protein in there, probably some chicken or a turkey burger, and then I'm going to put some veggies in there, probably my green beans, because I like to have green beans with that. So I'm gonna put some green beans with this, and then I will do my stir fry and mix some with some of the rice that I have as well. So I'm going to open this up and put my green beans in there. So I'm still working on cutting this puppy up, and I have a whole other one here that I'm probably gonna leave bulk. This is kind of what we're looking at right here. I'm kind of eyeballing the pictures because I kind of can figure out what I'm gonna be eating. And I'm not being too picky, but I've done this enough where I kind of can eyeball what my meals are gonna be. So I have my carb, and I have my protein, and I have my veggies. All right, I can do more veggies, about 4 ounces of protein right here, and maybe that's a little bit much, maybe 3-4 ounces of sweet potatoes. I'm gonna be getting, this is my jasmine rice, and then that's my steak. I'm gonna be adding my veggies to that as well. So lots of meals here, and still working on my chicken for my salads, and looking good so far. And then here is the stir-fry veggies are going to it. And while I'm waiting, I'm drinking some immune stress tea because everybody is sick everywhere. So that is the meal prepping going so far. Looking good, you guys. It literally probably took me 35 minutes so far with the microwave and the cooking on the stove. And I have multiple things going at once. It doesn't take long to prep. And I'm a simple prepper. Like, that's just how I did it when I competed. I like the food, so I'm good with that. And then when I get bored, and then next week I'll switch it up and I'll do some different things. But like I said, it's so much easier when I have it done and I have no choice. I'm just gonna grab it and eat it. And then I know I'm hitting everything the way I should. And I'll probably have like a pickle or 2. I like to have pickles with my dinners. So I'll probably have a pickle with that because I'm not being super strict. I'm keeping my portions to where I know they should be. And this is just like having meals stacked and ready to go. And I can add or change anytime. Okay. All right, so I am done. I have about 10 meals made, and then I have my chicken, which is made. So this will give me about 3 more lunches with my ones that I have at home with my chickens. So again, some chopped up chicken, got enough in there. And then here, this is all the turkey. The turkey burgers are right there. I ran out of my containers. And then this is my chicken and all of that. And I put I have asparagus in some of them. And then this is what, that looks so good. I might have this for dinner tonight. This is my steak and my rice. I have 2 of those made, and then just some steak and sweet potatoes in that. But I'm gonna cover that up and take these home. And that's how quick. It was 45 minutes or less, you guys. I cooked all of this. I'm pretty fast, but that's how fast it took me. So share with us your meal preps and what you're prepping. And if you want to see more videos like this, let me know. I will keep creating it. I'm going to be creating some YouTube videos as well with my workouts and progress pics and all that kind of stuff. And you can follow along my journey as well. But this is the start, and let's just all do it together. Hold each other accountable. It's the tiny little things that we do that add up each day, and that consistency over time that gives us the progress that we're looking for. It takes a little bit of time when you do it the right way, ladies, but let me tell you, it does work, and it will work for you. All right, we'll see you in the next one.